At Kingspan Light and Air, we understand, design, install and maintain smoke and ventilation systems. Our smoke and ventilation systems deliver high standards of excellence and safety from the first measurement to the last fit. With over 30 locations worldwide, Kingspan Light and Air have a service team to meet your needs. Our service team is designed to work with you. We offer predictive, preventive and reactive maintenance to our clients, ensuring your Kingspan Light and Air products will always perform and are perfectly maintained to deliver on their maximum life cycle. Our highly skilled and experienced service team will assess your service and maintenance needs and provide a tailored service and maintenance program to suit your project. A maintenance contract with Kingspan Light and Air will ensure compliance, protect your building occupants, keep energy use low and protect your assets. Having been a trusted service and maintenance partner for thousands of commercial and industrial properties all over the world, our technicians know what to do when a system isn't performing at its best. We have the resources to find the right solution for your building, whether that's sourcing parts or upgrading your system to meet any new requirements. Mile after mile, through rain, wind or shine, our fleet will be on hand to bring you quick, reliable and seamless service with minimal disruption. We are professionals. We are Kingspan Light and Air. Naturally performing environments.